There's my girlfriend right there in the black Buick. Today's topic, long distance relationships and why you need a van. So my girlfriend lives 350 miles away from me. We met here in Gorman. For her it's a 150-mile drive, for me it's a 200-mile drive, so about halfway. I go a little further. But what I really like about having a van is that I could take off at night. I like taking off at night after work. I hit the road around midnight, so I pass Los Angeles traffic, then I sleep out here. And even though we have a long distance relationship, just the fact I have this convenience makes our relationship easy. It's easy to see each other. So my van's a little, oh yeah, I like having a van because I could just take my shoes off, throw my shoes here, wear flip-flops and socks. But yeah, I sleep in my van. I don't go through Los Angeles traffic, which is great for me because I hate Los Angeles traffic. And I sleep out here. Last night, or 2 nights ago, I actually slept at the rest area. But yeah, 350 miles is no big deal for us. We're still trying to figure out where we're gonna live. So we just got to see how things are in 2024. But yeah, we've been dating for 4 years, long distance, but it's been easy ever since I got my van. For 2 years I didn't have my van, but for the last 2 years of the 4 years I've had this, and it's made things really easy. What's this lake called, honey? Quail Lake. We're on Quail Lake right now. And I got donuts from Dunkin'. I like this more than the new Bronco. Who agrees with me? Holdfast experienced this about me. I'm the cleanup guy. So I'm gonna finish this up. That fish taco was good. I was amazed. It's actually better than real fish. I'll show you guys where we're eating here in a second. This place is unique. They have a guest book. So I wrote, this is me, I write like a kindergartner, but I gave my YouTube channel a plug right there. Brooke says this is her favorite place now. We went here again. That's funny, because my favorite place is across the street and it's junk food. Too bad it's closed. You know what I like about this place? The menu. You could get a hamburger for $6. You don't see anything that cheap anymore. It feels like, and it's a good old American food. Anytime I'm in a mountain town, it reminds me of Rambo when the cop is kicking him out of his nice little town.